McMurray. Hopefully I went to the right direction. If you need something for your vehicle, for your car or for your truck, you can come this place. Guys, this is my best experience that I'm having right now, because I searched through Google where to find some very small parts for my truck, for my Ford F150, and I only need this part here. This is a plastic thing that fits to the door lock of my truck, wherein if you lock and unlock your truck, it goes like this, up and down, like this one. If you push that, you can go up and down, something like that. And I broke mine, so what I did, I searched to Google where I can buy this one, because I went to the Ford, and you have to buy the whole assembly. So they're gonna open the whole window of my truck, service at the same time the parts, and it cost me something like $800. It's nothing. It's very expensive for a very small thing. So that's why I went here. I searched to Google if I can find this place, and a good thing that I find this place, but you have to do it by yourself. So it's something like a number of hectareage area wherein you can find all those RIC vehicles like autos, cars, trucks, and everything here. And you have to pick whatever you want here, and maybe you're gonna go back to their office and pay how much the cost of this part. So let us see how much the cost of this one, and I will let you know, guys. See you later. Thank you. So I have to go, so I have to walk again that distance there.
Beware of dogs.
Malapit na ako. I'm very close to their office. Yan ako. Sobrang putik yung daan. Yan, yung office nila. So far, andito na ako. So, pause ko muna to, baka bawal sila dito mag-video. At last, I got it.
Good job.